really good experience dealing with Sophia. She arranged all my travel things and my hotel to stay, and then she picked up from the airport and make a nice travel plan for me to visit the factory. Factory is good. They were organized. Machines seems good actually. And same time when I was going through the machines information and technology information, they know well. They know what they're doing, and I think that's all. They are learning. They know what they're doing. They know their business. So